Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix black screen error. If you get a black screen or blank screen with no sound when you try to watch or open Netflix, it usually means an issue with your device or the cable connection. Your device stopped Netflix from playing. So if you can't return the previous screen or your device isn't working at all, see this troubleshooting steps. First of all, you can check the cable. So make sure that your device is not connected to some sort of cable or any of the stuff. And after you've checked your cable as well, what you can do is, so in order to fix it, you can turn off your device, then back it on. Apart from it, you can also reinstall the Netflix app. After that, re-log in into your Netflix account, and that might be able to fix your issue. If that is also not working out, then you can also try clearing the cache as well as data. So for that, long press on your Netflix, go to app info page, and here go to storage and cache, click the clear cache button as well as clear storage, and once you do that, it's gonna clear all your browsing data, and then you might be able to see the screen. If still not working out, then you can also go to permissions. If not allowed any of these stuff such as microphone and all those stuff, then that might also be one of the major issue why this happened. And out of all, your internet connection also plays an important role. If you are not connected to an internet service or that you're not connected to a stable internet connection, that might be one of the reasons. So these were some of the ways to fix your Netflix black screen error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.